this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the Save the World Defender follow feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you need to do is recruit a defender. So firstly, what you want to do is recruit a defender from your survival squad or from a defender post. Make sure you have them in your squad and not just slotted in a base, okay? So once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and head into a mission and then deploy your defender like you normally would. You can deploy from the survivor squad menu by pressing M by default. And then in order to enable follow, all you need to do is simply go ahead and go close to it and press the default key E, because that is normally what the default key is. Your defender will follow you and then it will stick close behind and help you fight, gather support on your adventure. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.